Hello, welcome to Food Barbecue. The quest for a better tortilla continues. So this is another recipe I'm trying. I'm using 128 grams of coconut flour, 20 grams of psyllium seed husks, mixing that together with 1.5 grams or 1 teaspoon of baking soda. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 240 milliliters or 1 cup of warm water, not hot but warm. Just stirring it together and then mixing it. It starts to firm up pretty quickly. Using a tortilla press, flattening these, making 6 tortillas in total, and they turned out really nice. Okay, so pressing them and then adding them to a medium hot frying pan onto which I have a teaspoon of olive oil that I spread out, then letting these brown up. Took about 2 minutes per side on low heat, and here you can see how pliable they are. Tomorrow I'm trying them.